Hello, it's March 2022, and we see a lot of people, especially with current worldwide events and things that are upcoming, that are happening now and everything else, well, everyone talking about uniting and unity and strength and all this other stuff. But here's a question to everyone, regardless on what position you take on whatever topic. Has anyone, the people in general, ever asked, what is it that people want? I really want you to think about this. Sure, it's easy. There might be a common cause that everyone sides with, or not everyone, but groups of people siding with this cause or that cause. But have the people, society in general, ever discussed or thought about, even on an individual level, what is it that people actually want? You can talk about unity all day long, but if you don't know what it is that you want to really unite about, then everything else, that all these other little causes and social justice movements and protests and everything else, really don't mean anything. What is it that the people truly want? If you have, or if you can't, for example, agree to that, then what hope is there? What do the people want? Anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter your age, what race you belong to, which of the two genders you belong to. What do the people want? As a worldwide society, a local society, nobody ever talks about that. At least I haven't heard anyone talking about that. And what I'm really trying to push here is the big picture. Things to think about. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Listen to this and write it down if you can't remember it. You're never going to outgrow warfare. You simply must learn to fight. I hear people saying to me, oh, when is it going to get easier? When you die.